before we start our
Good morning, sirs and ma'am. So I was tasked just this morning to conduct lecture on PNP Patrol Plan 2030. So siguro sa karamihan, majority of us, sirs and ma'am, this is not already new to us on what is Patrol Plan 2030. So nakikita ko mayroon akong mga classmates dito, no? By the way, sirs and ma'am, I'm Police Staff Sergeant Thomas Bitaynon Jr. And I'm presently assigned here at the Regional Police Strategy Management Unit. And ang batch ko po is 2015 yan. Kami po yung panabak. So meron po akong nakikita dito ng mga classmates ko from Delta Company. Yan. Okay, so context setting tayo, sirs and ma'am. So naka-schooling po tayo. So masasabi ko, sirs and ma'am, is at the end of the day, at the end of the day, as we end this lecture, meron tayong matututunan na pwede nating mai-correlate yan, pwede nating mai-transfer sa ating mga juniors or even to our seniors. Sabi nga ni Chief PNP, bigyan natin ng dangal ang ating uniforme. Okay, so let us not take this for compliance sake na para matapos lang natin tong schooling na to. No? At the end of the lecture, we can share something. Kung tatanungin sa ating what is Patrol Plan 2030 or what is PGS, we can able to explain what is PGS or Patrol Plan 2030. Okay, so as an introduction, sirs and ma'am, what is Patrol Plan 2030? No? Pag sinabi nating Patrol Plan 2030, it means that is the peace in order agenda for transformation and upholding the rule of law. So simply pag sinabi nating Patrol Plan 2030, this is the official strategic plan of the Philippine National Police towards in our transformation journey. This is a strategic plan. Meron po akong nakita si Sir Tayab dito from the ROD, 'di ba? Dati kasi plans hawak rin nila eh. 'Di ba? There are types of plans. We have strategic, we have operational, we have tactical. And the official strategic plan of the Philippine National Police in our transformation journey is the PNP Patrol Plan 2030. So do not be confused on what is Patrol Plan 2030 and PGS. Because if we talk about PGS, that is performance governance system. That is the mechanism or the prong that we will will operationalize PNP Patrol Plan 2030. Yan. So pag sinabi po nating PGS, sirs and ma'am, yung performance governance system, that is the machinery, which will be used to operationalize Patrol Plan 2030. Kaya ang Patrol Plan 2030, sirs and ma'am, yan yung plano. Ang PGS, yan yung mekanismo or yung machinery so that we can operationalize PNP Patrol Plan 2030. Dahil meron kang ang plano pero paano mo ito ma-implement? You need to have a mechanism, and that is the performance governance system. And the primary unit which has that mandate to ensure the implementation of PNP Patrol Plan 2030 is the strategy management units. Okay? So let's